Welcome back to my channel. So on today's tutorial I'll be showing you how I made this wrap top. Please like, subscribe and share, and also hit the notification bell. Well, I have my fabric here, which is 35 by 35 inches. So this is just a full square, so I'm just gonna fold it into half like this. So this is what I have. Well, so I'm just gonna find the middle point of this part right here, and then I'll just make a straight line like so. So after that, I'm just gonna come this side and then take my round waist measurements, divide by 4, and then make a mark. So after making a mark here, I'm just gonna go down here by 6 inches. Then after that, from this point here, I will go out by 2 inches and make a mark. So after that, I'm just gonna be joining the 3 points marked here. So in this case, it's just gonna be forming a little bit of a triangle. Well, from the middle point I marked earlier, I'm just gonna go up by 1 inch, and then from the exact midpoint I'm just gonna go in by 4 inches. And this part is for the neck hole, so I'm just gonna take my curve ruler and then just make a curve like this. So you can also use a free hand for this part. Once I'm done, I'm just gonna be joining these together. So this part is the front part of the top. So I'm just gonna come here from the point, and then I will just go in by 12 inches and make a point. And then after making 12 inches, I will just go up again by 6 inches and just make a line. From this point here, I'm just gonna make a curve which will join the middle part I have up here, and I will just take it down to the part I have. And once I'm done with the curve here, I'm just gonna be cutting out this part first. And this other part. Well, now I'm just gonna open up the top so I can just align everything together, where you will be able to see the sides of the top and also the sleeves. So for the sleeves, I'm just going to hem. So I'm just gonna be hemming the sleeves. So I'm just gonna double fold the sleeves and also join the sides together. So this is what I have after joining the sides and also hemming the sleeves. Though it's not clear, then you just hem the sleeve part. So the next thing that I'm gonna do right now is I'm just gonna be working on the v-neck side and also the neck hole. So for this part here, which is the neck front, so I'm just gonna be folding in this part here like this, and then just make a stitch. and this is what I have. So the next thing for me to do is I'm just gonna measure the bottom part of my top right here using a tape measure. So I'm just gonna be cutting out waistband. So I'm just gonna take the measurements I have and then just multiply it by 3 times, and that will be the full length of my waistband. And for the width, I just measured 5 inches. So from the 5 inches, I'm just folded in about half an inch like this. So I just folded half an inch on the sides and then just ironed everything together. So the next thing for me to do is I'm just gonna be folding the waistband so I can find the midpoint. So after finding the midpoint, what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna be taking the top here and then I'll just align everything together. So I'm just gonna make sure that the midpoint is all aligned. So the midpoint on the top and the midpoint on the waistband, it's aligned. So this is how I'm just gonna be stitching the waistband to the top. And for me to attach everything together, I'm gonna start off by opening the end part here, and then I'll just fold in like this, right side facing, and then I will make a stitch so I can be able to turn this inside out and then just make a stitch all over. So I'm just gonna be showing you how I'm doing it right here. First of all, I'm just gonna fold in like this, right side facing, and then make a stitch. And then I'll just make a stitch straight down to join the top and also the waistband together. And once I'm done with attaching these two together, then I'll be done with the full tutorial for the top. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe and share, and also hit the notification bell.